Been a wildly busy few weeks, so I have been working on the 172, but with no time to actually film anything. So I thought I'd do a bit of an addendum to our panel building video, show you where I've got to. It's a little bit upside down. I've now just pulled the sticky backing off the aluminium, which is very satisfying, and about to sand it and give it a paint. Got my assistant there, ready to do some painting, Rosie? Oh good, excellent, good stuff. Okay, so arts and crafts and painting and that sort of thing is not my strong point. But my good friend Michael has given me strict instructions on what to do and what not to do. So we'll see how accurately I can follow them. Here's an interesting little thing. That's our original plastic backing, which of course we're discarding. But the way the panel lights work is they're all on just a big sort of loose wire that's just either hot glued or fire sealanted or something. It's all just sort of glued on. So we're going to try and carefully remove those so we don't wreck them and put them onto the new panel. So here's the panel lights installed, or partly installed, sort of mock fitted to see if they all work, which they do. Not well. They are fairly crap, but because they're the original manufacturer's equipment, they are legal, which is the main thing we want. Oh, look at that, with the hanger lights in the inoperative state. What illumination. And obviously the two 275s are lit up by their own lights, so they don't need any lights. Oh, I've never seen a 172 panel before with all of the panel lights or the post lights actually working. What a success. I'm just letting some paint dry. In the meantime, I thought I'd show you just the amount of work that goes into an Avionics install. I can't take credit for all this. This is Cobb and Tim's work. But there's so many wires. I mean, what do they all even do? Who knows? So here we are, the almost finished product. I've got it sitting up here on some Chieftain engine mounts there, under lights in the paint shop, just so I could have a good look at it, and so that it looks all YouTubey and influency. You know what I mean. Reasonably happy with how it turned out, as long as you don't look too close. Couple of little mist drills I've made, but managed to make them less seeable. Still got a hole here where I cut it big enough to put an additional GI275, so the same as those two, which can be an engine monitor. But in the meantime, we'll put the original EGT gauge back in there, which is actually a slightly smaller hole, but I've made up a little adapter plate there, and as you can see there, I did start to paint it before I realised that I hadn't pulled the plastic off the metal. So I'll fix that up tomorrow. Hopefully the next time you see the panel, it'll be in the aeroplane and not sitting on Chieftain engine mounts, which that'll be very exciting. But it's 8:30. I've got a meeting in a few hours, so I'm going to call it quits for tonight. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.